before sunrise, brewed the coffee, steeped the tea, drove until the buildings disappeared, a quick escape for you and me. We said we needed quiet, a day with nowhere else to be, then carried our precious ringing, blinking things into the trees. You stopped to answer something. I checked a message while I waited. 5 minutes turned to 20, and things got real complicated. We were standing somewhere beautiful, still tethered back to home, with everyone we left behind, reaching through our phone. We didn't drive this far to keep up with the feed. We didn't leave the noise to bring along everything. So before we miss the reason we came out here all this way, turn these phones back into cameras and capture this magical day. Airplane mode, camera on, take the picture, move along. Airplane mode, camera on, let's be here before this beautiful, astounding, incredible, joyous moment is gone. The camera on this thing is great, catches colors I can't see. The water shining through the branches, your face when you look up at me. I want the photo of you laughing, barefoot in the stream. I don't need to spend 10 minutes making sure it looks serene. Let's not take 300 angles of my coffee near a pine, or footage of me walking like I'm arriving there for the first time. Take one picture when it matters, maybe 2 or sometimes 3. Then stash the phone in your pocket and come sit down with me. The world can reach us anywhere, that doesn't mean it should. The signal works way out here now, honestly a little too damn good. So we keep ourselves in check and experience the day. Turn these phones back into cameras, little captures along the way. Airplane mode, hey, camera on, take the picture, move along. Airplane mode, camera on, let's be here before this beautiful, astounding, incredible, joyous moment is gone. Did you get the waterfall? Yes, and your thumb in half the frame. Did you get one of us together? The dog looked good, you looked deranged. Perfect. Keep it. That is exactly how it was. Airplane mode, airplane mode, camera on, camera on, take the picture, move along. Oh, airplane mode, camera on, let's be here, just right here together. Before this beautiful, astonishing, incredible, weird, imperfect joy.